Hey, what's up everyone? Today in this video I'm going to show you One UI 8.5 Samsung DeX latest new features and new changes. Okay, look at this back side. I connect my Galaxy device with monitor with Type-C to HDMI converter. And today in this video I'm going to show you which new features add after One UI 8.5 update on Samsung DeX. So let's begin. Okay, now look at this. My device convert into cursor after enable Samsung DeX. Now I will start Samsung DeX. Now this is One UI 8.5 first look of Samsung DeX. Look at this taskbar, control center. This is little bit classy look on control center. Now let me show you which new features add after One UI 8.5 update on Samsung DeX. So if you go to control center and go to screen recorder, now look at this partial screen. If you start screen recording with partial screen, then you record separate part on your screen. Look at this. If you want to record separate part, then simply select, and now easy to record separate part from your screen. Now second, you add multiple desktops. Now guys, Samsung DeX support multiple desktop like Windows. Let me show you. Look at this. If you open multiple apps like this, and if you go to task changer like this, then look at this desktop 1, and if you plus, then desktop 2 open and you use these new apps on desktop 2. Guys, you use at least 4 multiple desktop on Samsung DeX. Now next feature is you add widgets on desktop. Now look at this. You add widgets on desktop like this. And guys, you also resize widgets also on Samsung DeX. Look at this. Let me show you another widget. This is weather widget. Now look at these new animations. And guys, now One UI 8.5 3D icons also add on Samsung DeX. This is taskbar, and look at this calendar, control center, message. So this is small review of One UI 8.5 Samsung DeX. So I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.